Hello, Yellow 4. This is Miss Culberson with the remote learning activity for today, January 12th. We are back on learning. I'm so excited. Let's see what we need for this activity. Awesome. So for this activity, we need the winter graphic that is in your learning packet and the winter versus summer cards that are also in your learning packet. So go ahead, run and get those and let's get rolling. All right, go, go, go. Are you ready? Okay, so for this activity, I want you to look at that winter graphic. Look at the snowman, look at the kid sledding, skiing, look at the snow, and have a minute or two to talk to your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or whoever you are with at home and see if you were able to do these things already or if that's something that you like to do during the winter. Do you like to make a snowman? Don't start singing the Frozen song. Do you like to sled? Do you like to have snowball fights? Or are you more like a summer kind of person? Okay, I like all the good stuff during the winter. I really need to be all bundled up. It's way too cold for me. But I do enjoy the beauty of the snow. What about you? Okay, friends, you also need your cards. And for these cards, we're just gonna ask you to make two piles, just like my friend Daniel here. Okay, so one pile will be the things that we do during the summer, and the other one, the things that belong to winter. So what about this? Do you wear a bathing suit during summer or winter? Do trees look like this during summer or winter? Do you wear earmuffs during summer or winter? I'm making my own piles. Do you wear shorts during the summer or the winter? Do you wear a scarf during summer or winter? Does it snow during the summer or the winter? Do trees look like these during the summer or winter? What about this hat? Do you wear this kind of hat during summer or winter? Do you drink hot cocoa during summer or winter? What about mittens? Are they a summer or a winter type of clothing? Does the sun looks like this during the summer or winter? And do you eat ice cream during winter or summer? Maybe both. All right, amigos. I hope you have two good piles. These ones are my winters. I think mittens and hot cocoa and hats and trees look like this and snow. Do it backwards. And scarf and earmuffs belong to winter. And I think we really enjoy ice cream. I enjoy ice cream anyway, but we really enjoy ice cream during the summer. The sun looks this bright and we wear shorts and there are leaves on the trees and some of us might wear a bathing suit during the summer. So here you go. Things that belong to summer and things that belong to winter. Happy winter, everybody. Don't forget to join us on MS Team. Today at 11, Miss Dora will be reading a winter story today and tomorrow. Today in English and tomorrow in Espanol. So don't forget today at 11 through MS Teams. And if you cannot be with us, don't worry about it. We will record it so you can watch it later. Okay? Big hugs. I love you. Bye.